So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Axie Infinity, ticker symbol AXS, in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you're into your Wealthsimple app, make sure to go into your crypto account. Then once you're here, go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass. Then on this screen, scroll all the way down until you come across crypto right here. Under trending categories, press on crypto. Then on this screen, scroll all the way down until you come across AXS or Axie Infinity. So I will just keep scrolling until I come across it, which is right here, ticker symbol AXS, Axie Infinity. I'll press on that right there. Then to buy it, go to the bottom left and press on buy. On this screen now, type in the amount of money you wish to buy of Axie Infinity. So if you wanted to invest $1, press on 1 and then press continue. Then simply to confirm your purchase, go to the bottom, press on confirm order, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy $1 worth of Axie Infinity, or I guess any amount worth of Axie Infinity in Wealthsimple here in Canada. I hope this video helped.